In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix CarPlay not working with iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's a few different things that you could go ahead and do. Now, the first one is fully purging and repairing the connection. So what you want to do is go to your settings on your iPhone, then go to General, then go over to CarPlay as one of the options. Now, tap your specific vehicle name and then select Forget This Car, which is going to be right at the bottom. Now, what you could also do is within your car, locate the Bluetooth panel and delete or forget your iPhone from the car's built-in memory storage. Then turn your iPhone completely off and then back on. Turn your vehicle's ignition off and close the driver door and turn the car back on. Then just reconnect your cable or pair via Bluetooth from scratch. So basically just try and re-enable it again. And then what you can also do is unblock any hidden iOS permissions because sometimes it will fail. So what you want to do is go over to settings and make sure your allow CarPlay while locked option is turned on. Alternatively, if you're using a wireless, method, go ahead and try and use a wire to connect to AirPlay, and then after that, your wireless should work too. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.